First, go to Settings. Then, go down to Accessibility. Once there, click Spoken Content. Then, Speech Selection. After you've done that, try it out. First, highlight the text that you wish to hear. Then, click Speak.
Hi, this is one of your 6th period Power Squad members, Carol. In this period,